So welcome to another Thursday Thought. And I thought I'll take this opportunity to talk about this intersection between IT and OT, operational technology and information technology. Obviously we know what information technology is. It's really around the factories, ERP, the CRM systems, and obviously we have the OT side of things, which is PLCs, SCADA, and the actual machines and sensors that are on the factory floor. And this intersection between the two is a very interesting space and changing in this whole Industry 4.0 space. If you take a little deeper look at the interactions between the different systems in a factory, it looks like chaos. So this is an interesting picture I found that talks about and illustrates all of the interactions and communications between the different systems on a factory. And what's really nice is this illustration put together by the International Society of Automation. This hierarchy is typically known as the functional hierarchy, or ISA 95. And what this shows is the different levels within a factory. So you start at level 0, which is the physical sensors and actuators on the production floor. We then move up into the sensors and control system, PLCs, SCADA, etc. Then we move into the typical MES layer that's actually sequencing and controlling what gets built on the production line, all the way into the ERP systems that's taking customer orders, managing the logistics and warehouses. And the challenge we have in today's world is that what you see is that these systems are very segmented. And the difficulty and where we spend a lot of money in factories is being able to connect these different layers. And typically from level 2 to level 3, so integrating into MES systems and integrating into ERP systems costs huge amounts of money. However, new technology enables us to really bring these layers a lot closer. And what we believe is really the integration between these layers into a more unified platform. And what we see is that the future of MES is really going lower down into the production line and going deeper into the ERP layer. And what we see is that the real opportunities are in these intersections between the two. If we can find clever ways to interact between hardware and between OT systems and operational systems, I think there's a huge opportunity. And that's what we've been focusing on at Jendamark. We've been developing this, let's call it an advanced MES system that goes all the way down to controlling processes at the sensor level, all the way up into controlling typical processes that happen in an ERP system. Here's another Thursday Thought.